Okay guys, so for today's video we are going to be rebuilding the CR250 brake caliper. If you watched one of the last videos, the caliper rotor, the rivets on it just seemed to tear up this caliper for some reason. Not sure why, but this caliper needs rebuilt anyways, so we're going to rebuild it, do some cerakoting on it, so yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, so if you're doing this yourself, I'm going to show you an easy way to get the pistons out without using a piston remover tool, because a lot of people I know don't have that. So what you're going to do, you're going to need the banjo bolt, a couple washers, and some O-rings. So as you can see, the banjo bolt right here, 2 washers to fill in the gap, and then I got 2 O-rings. What this is going to do is it's going to block any of the air that we're going to use to get them out. It's going to prevent it from coming out right here. And so now we're going to hook up the air compressor to this thingy, the valve, and we're going to put air through this, and this is going to slowly push the pistons out. Although you do have to do it fast, because if you just do it slow, it's just going to push one of them out, and then you can't do it again. You're stuck trying to get this one out. So let's get to it, and I'll show you how to do it. Hey guys, so once you have your air compressor ready, do make sure you wear safety glasses for this. You do not want to get any brake fluid in your eye. Also make sure, before you do all this, get as much of the brake fluid out as you can, because just less that can explode in your face. So also do put something right here, otherwise they can just go blast across the entire room. So you want to put something here to stop that from happening. So now set this on the ground like this. I'm gonna put the compressor right here and push. Just like that. You can pull them right out. There you go. Okay guys, so now that you have this all done, just want to clean it up a little bit, get as much of the brake fluid off as you can. And so now I'm gonna mask off what I don't want sandblasted and clean it up, and then we're gonna get to cerakoting. So if you're doing this yourself, once you get those pistons out, just dry everything up as much as you can. You just don't want that to mix in with the sand. So yep, I'll be right back with that. Alright guys, so now that I got it all masked off, it's ready to go into the sandblaster. There's no plugs for where the pistons go, so you're just gonna have to shove something in there and try to not blast right on it. So yeah, let's get it in. Okay guys, so we just finished the sandblasting. It turned out pretty good. Now I just gotta wipe it down with acetone, and we're ready to spray. Yeah, see you then.
Okay, so ready to spray, so.
So now these got these cerakoted. They turned out pretty good, even coating. So let's get them together. This is the other piece of the front brake caliper. I did it chrome because I wanted a different accent on here. I think that'll look pretty cool. And then the last piece is actually on the rear, just the rear brake caliper mount. Thought I might as well do that too. So yeah, let's put them together. Okay guys, I just put this thing all back together, and here's the result. It looks just absolutely amazing. Turned out exactly how I wanted it to turn out. As you can see, here's the chrome piece, black caliper. We got the red anodized banjo bolt, new brake pads, whole rebuild kit on this. Yeah, looks just perfect. I can't wait to put it on. So yeah, thanks for watching.